50,000 years ago, humans were painting on cave walls and throwing spears at animals.
I still am.
Fast forward to the modern day, and in the last 2 years alone, over 50,000 years of review videos have been watched on YouTube. My, how we've come on. That's right, review videos are big. People do all of their research online now before they make a purchase, and that's exactly why your channel needs them. So here's 7 reasons why you must review. Number 1, your viewers will want them. But I can't review anything. I make videos on stamp collecting, I hear you cry. Well, it doesn't matter what your channel is about, we honestly believe you can produce review content that will blow your viewers away no matter what your topic. If you talk about stamps, review your favourite collection book, magnifying glasses, and any tools or items you use regularly. Reviewing the products you use is a service you can provide, and if the reviewer buys off your recommendation and then loves the item just as much as you did, or you stop them from making a purchasing mistake, they're going to value your channel so much more. Number 2, ranking. Think about what products or software you're always using and then type their names into YouTube. You'll often find these videos have a ton of views for more sought after products. If your channel is super niche, then you'll probably find the products have a decent amount of views still, but there is less competition. Use a tool like TubeBuddy to see how much competition there is for search terms and how well optimized they are, and then get planning your review based on that. If you don't know how to plan topics or rank videos for search terms, there will be a playlist at the end waiting for you that'll teach you just that. The reason why trying to rank reviews is so powerful is that if you review a stamp collection book, the only people who are going to find it and watch it are those interested in stamp collection. So you're getting your channel in front of precisely the right people straight away. If they enjoy it, they'll probably watch more and you'll gain more subscribers. Over time, these videos can march up the ranks and really bring in the traffic. Here's a couple we produced for clients that have brought in over 100,000 views each. They are super simple, nothing fancy in the production, just great advice. Number 3, audience harnessing. Let's go back to stamp collection. And by the way, if you're new to our channel, we don't just make videos about how to grow your stamp collection channel. We cover coins too. I'm joking. Let's say there's a product you review and the brand that makes the product has 250,000 followers on Twitter. Reviewing their product and then tweeting the video and tagging them in it could see a retweet or a share. Again, their audience will only have people in it who will want the type of content your channel produces. A share will bring in the right people and it could be en masse. Now, believe it or not, so far nearly every review video we've ever made has received either a share or interaction from the brand. They are listening and they do care what people think of them. Which brings us on to number 4, networking. A few products we reviewed have not only seen our viewers buy them, but also caused the brand to reach out to us after watching our videos. Well, so what? Well, so long as they like your style, building a relationship with the brand you use and like is a good idea, a very good idea. It means they would be more likely to ask you to review new products, meaning you can beat the mad rush of reviews that appear further down the line from other creators. It means you could always reach out about a sponsorship deal or even offer to become a distributor for them. Smaller companies will be easier to talk to, but don't be afraid to reach out to the big boys. If you watched our last video on making money from a small channel, then you'll know why. It's not all about views. Relationships through networking can open doors you would never have dreamt of. Number 5, content. Coming up with new content ideas is always tough. Every new video has a risk that your viewers won't be, well, that interested in the topic. With reviews, you can pretty much guarantee they will be, so long as the product is something that will benefit them. Every new model, new innovation, or even reviewing old models for the second-hand market gives you a stack of new video ideas to feed the never-ending hunger of the YouTube beast. 6, production quality. Some reviews are breathtaking, the production can be top-notch, but on the other hand, reviews are all about the advice, which means you don't have to have the best camera or lighting to get traction. You just need experience with the product. Advising your viewers on who the product is for and what to avoid is way more useful than 8K camera quality. Some of the most popular reviews ever have just been of hands playing with the product shot from the top down. Don't rush it, but also don't worry about not keeping up with the likes of Marcus Brownlee's slick look. Number 7, affiliate links. A totally selfish reason to review products is that you can provide affiliate links for them and then make money off people buying them from places like Amazon. It's one way to make money from YouTube, and there are some people who make a killing from this just by reviewing software and products. And as a bonus for you, here's number 8. Like this video and hit subscribe. Okay, that's not really a point of why review videos help, but if you found this helpful, the chances are the 3 videos we make a week about growing a YouTube channel should tickle your pickle too. And be sure to check out this video here to see our latest release, and this playlist, which will talk you through making money from your reviews in more detail.